This is Southwest 212. Let's do some math. We're going to be writing a function rule from this table right here. That's the same thing as writing an equation. Y equals mx plus b. Function rule, linear equation. Here we go. If you have a table, the first thing I would do is find out these differences. That's going to reveal a lot of stuff for you as you're trying to figure this out. You could, if you can't figure out how much this is going by, just take the bigger one and subtract the smaller one. There's a change of 4. It keeps going up each time by 4. If I'm checking this one here, 8 to 20, if I don't know how much that is, I could just do 8 minus 20. Just take the bigger one minus the smaller one, so 32 minus 20, another 12. And 44 minus 32, so another 12. All right. Off to the side here, I'm going to write m equals and b equals. If I can find my slope and my y-intercept, I'll be able to write my equation. Because I'm trying to fill in this right here. I'm trying to fill in this blank spot for b and this blank spot for m. Remember, slope is a fraction. It's the change. It's what things are changing by. So I'm going to do the y's on top. 12 over 4. And I'm going to reduce that to 1. How much it is per 1. 4 goes into 12 3 times. That means for every 1 up here, I changed by 3 down here. If I was to change by 1. Okay, so let's find our b. I've got to go back to 0. Where x is 0, that'll happen. So I'm going to go back 2 spaces. That's not going to be easy to do because these are going by 4s. That's where this will come in handy. My slope is 3. That means for every 1, I go 3 down here. So if I go 2, I go 3 twice. That means I go minus 3, minus 3. So that's a total of minus 6. And that brings me to 0, 2. That continues the pattern. So that's y equals, I'm going to put 2 right here. Y equals 3x plus 2. Plugged in my m and b. Respect the journey. Over and out.